it's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking to work from home or just get your own beauty station? Definitely check out Fortune Candy's Barber Salon station. So cool for the quality and the economic price of this. It's awesome. I love the material of this desk because I can spill water on it and it doesn't seep through. It just hangs out on top on the surface and you can wipe it up. So this desk is really meant to be put to work. Or if you just have a small workspace at your work and you need to fit a lot, this is great because this is only 3.6 feet wide. So the size of it can fit in most places. I like the mirror because if I'm standing, I get most of my body and there's no chopping off of the head. You can put the chair up higher or lower and you get that full view with this crystal looking mirror. The drawers are great. They open really good and smooth, and then they close and stay snug closed. And I like the lock feature on the smaller drawer so you can sit your money in there. And I like the door as well because it's very durable and it's not flimsy. And again, it secures closed. It has all the spots and compartments. You can put your tools in these holes on the side, and you have your shelving, and there's an organizer inside this big drawer as well. If you want to change it up, you can. You also have your wire organizer, which is great for keeping all your cords nice and not tangled. This is so fun for anybody who wants to do any kind of beauty from home, hairstyling. This is definitely the way to go. This has everything that I need for our space, and I like that it can be used for male or female because it is that classic black look that just looks really nice no matter where you put it. But that's my point of view.